Video, let's try to solve a problem. Alright, so problem on average speed. Now the problem goes like this. A car is traveling from A to B at a speed of 70 km per hour and B to A at a speed of 90 km per hour. If the distance between A and B is 63 kilometers, what is the average speed of the car for the round trip? Okay, this is the given question. So we are talking about round trip here. Now let's try to list out what are the things that are given. Alright, see, you have a figure. See, from A to B it is 63 kilometers. Now from A to B the car is traveling at 70 kilometers per hour. Okay, and from B to A it is traveling at 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, now if the distance is 63 kilometers, from A to B, we can find out what is the time taken. Correct? So time taken will be how much? It will be 63 divided by 70. Right? Which will be 0.9 hours. Right? Next, from B to A, the car is traveling at 90 kilometers per hour. So time taken will be 63 by 90, which is how much? 0.7 hours. Right? So we know the time. We know what is the speed. Now they are asking you the average speed for the round trip. Now remember, for round trip, now the total distance will be 63 plus 63. Correct? So that is the total distance. Now when we talk about total time taken, it is 0.9 plus 0.7. Correct? So 0.9 plus 0.7. So the average speed, what was the formula? It was total distance divided by total time. Correct? So in this case, total distance will be how much? It will be 2 into 63 or 63 plus 63, correct? Which will come up to 126 divided by total time. Total time is 0.9 plus 0.7, correct? So 126 divided by 0.9 plus 0.7, which gives you 1.6. So when you do this calculation, you get the answer, right? Okay, now this was the normal method of solving, correct? So we know the total distance, total time. You'll get the answer. I'm not saying that you're not going to get it. But there is an easier way of solving this problem. Okay, so I'll just tell you what is the easier way. Now see, let's say you're going from point A to point B. Okay, let's say from A to B, you're moving at the velocity of V1, okay, or speed of V1. Okay, now from B to A, you are moving with the speed of V2. Okay, now the average speed will be 2V1 into V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Okay, so this is the formula. Now let's try to apply this formula for this problem. Now in this case, what was the first speed? First speed was 70, correct? And then the second speed was 90. So 2 into 70 into 90 divided by 70 plus 90. So if you solve this one also, you will get the same answer. You will get the answer as what? You will get it as 78.75. Correct? So in both the cases, you will get the same answer. Whether you do it by total distance by total speed, which gives you the same answer, or you do it by this method. Okay, so 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Meaning, whenever you have average speed problems, you can apply this formula. Understood? So the average speed is 78.75 kilometers per hour for the round trip. Alright?